In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram late notification problem. So first thing you need to do is you want to clear data. So leave Instagram, go to home, go to phone settings, search for apps, and then click on apps. Inside of apps, you want to search for Instagram. Go to Instagram, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So after you do this step, you go back to Instagram and check if your issue has been fixed. If you're still having issues, then here's what you can do. Let me just log in really quickly. So if you're still having issues, then what you can do is go back to the settings, the same settings we were at. So apps, and then search for Instagram, go back here and then click on notifications and make sure you enable everything. Allow notifications, allow for the messages, enable everything, message requests, enable everything, and make sure you enable all of these stuff, enable everything in the notifications, and go to the permissions and make sure you enable everything here as well. So after you do this, you can go and see if your issue has been fixed. If you're still having issues, then what you can do is you could check if Instagram needs updating. So if you go to Play Store, search for Instagram could actually simply just needed an update, and updating it could fix your issue. Now if updating still doesn't fix the issue, then your last thing you can try is to simply uninstall and reinstall. So if you click and hold on Instagram, you can uninstall and reinstall, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.